You can extract LinkedIn company information for free using a LinkedIn company URL. This demo shows how LinkFinder AI simplifies company data enrichment with easy-to-use features. You can extract LinkedIn company information for free just from a LinkedIn company URL. First, go to the description of the video and click the first link in the video description. You will be redirected to LinkFinder AI. On LinkFinder AI, you can create an account for free and get free credits to use for LinkedIn company scrapping. You can create an account for free and get free credits that you will be able to use for the LinkedIn company scrapping. Once you're in the app, you will see that you are granted free credits that you will be able to use for the company scrapping. First, you select the type for the input data. Here the type is LinkedIn company URL. Here the type is LinkedIn company URL. Next, select the output data. Here is going to be LinkedIn profile data. Here is going to be LinkedIn profile data. Using the free credits, we're going to be able to pay the 6th credit that this enrichment costs. We just have to input here a LinkedIn company URL. We just have to input here a LinkedIn company URL. I'm going to input this company URL as an example. For free, I will get all the information from its LinkedIn company page from this LinkedIn company URL. I get the information from its company page. Here we have all the information from the LinkedIn company page of Clenlist AI. We know the name, the followers, the number, and the ABAT section. Then you can go on the Upload CSV Pull option. We just need to drop here a CSV file, and this will enrich data in bulk. You can see I have brought a CSV, and I can process each item individually. Get here the result, and I can export the result here, clicking on Export. I can export the result here, clicking on Export. The last way you can do it is with the API access. You go on the App Access, upload your documentation, and here you go on Company on B2B.com. You will find a code for LinkedIn company to LinkedIn information. Basically, the code that we've been doing offers you the possibility to do this programmatically for free. You can get company data for free programmatically using the API access from ThinkFinder AI. This demo showcased how you can extract LinkedIn company data effortlessly using LinkFinder AI's free credits, bulk upload, and API access. Start enriching your company data today by signing up for a free trial and exploring the API options.